So we have seen how to feed the lex script to lex tool, get the corresponding lex.yy.c file, and how to compile it and generate the final lexical analyzer. Now we will see what this lex.yy.c file contains. So as I told you, majority is boilerplate, but a certain portion will be a direct copy or representation of our lex rules. So this is our lex rule. If this regular expression is matched, this has to be fired. That is our rule, right? So the basic thing that we can do is we can search for our file name inside here. So expr.l. So there will be automatic comments or annotations generated corresponding to sections from our program. So line 1 of our expr.l is over here. So line 1 is the start of the rule section, right? So maybe that is not of interest for us. We will go to the next part. Okay. Then line 4. Line 4. Okay. Line 2. So this might be of interest. So what is line 2? In our case, line 2 is the actual portion of the rule section which we are interested in. That is for a mathematical expression or addition of two numbers, expression recognized message has to be printed, right? So it is written as a switch case, and if that case is triggered, if you see here, the expression recognized message that we have given as the body of the rule section, or the body of the rule is directly copied over there. Okay, so if we see where all these things are residing, it is residing within the macro yy declare. So what is yy declare that we have to see? So it is actually a substitution for yylex. So whatever rules that we are writing, it goes as body of yylex function. So that is the thing that we have to understand.